Hey guys, Britta here. Welcome back to the Ultimate Factory here on Satisfactory. Here we are for another episode. So last episode I did our Mega Rotor production, which is in here. Going really well. I've taken off all the overclocking off all these machines. Just going to let it run however it runs for now. I was having some dramas with iron ore, getting it in, because I've expanded and put in a modular frame production line through here as well, as you guys can see, and we're pretty much nearly full up with modular frames at the moment, but we were struggling to get iron ore in. As you can see, like, we've got plenty of iron ore here and here, but it's just struggling to come down and into the other machines where we really need it, like these ones. I think are making our plates, possibly. Yeah, our plates, sort of struggling to get the iron ore into here. So I underclocked or taken off the overclockers on the other ones, which has allowed a little bit more iron ore to sort of spread out through the base, hopefully. This episode is probably going to be another real short one. But I tapped into the coal, which was about 1 kilometre over this way, tapped into the new iron ore node that was out the front as well. And I've sort of set up our steel production, so our steel beams here, our steel pipes over here. I've just got everything laid down ready to go, but I haven't actually hooked anything up as yet. So what I want to do first of all is bring in our conveyor walls to bring down both our coal and our iron. So for this room here, I want to bring down our coal and iron, as I said, but I think I'm going to bring them down one at a time. So if we just go like this, and then like this, and get rid of these other walls, we should be able to bring them down sort of one at a time. So coal is the first conveyor belt, so if we go coal, we'll bring that down first, then we'll bring our iron in as a secondary sort of source. So we need to get the, I think I need to go down earlier than that. I do. Okay, so take this back out again. Because here is where I had it, so let's take it down a little bit earlier. Both of these out, and then I need another one in here. Okay, so we put one like everything like that. I should be able to work it out a little bit easier. So our coal will come into here, and then it'll drop down on a conveyor pole to here, and then it should go across to here, another conveyor pole, double stack, straight across, and then back up again. And then this one will do the same, but sort of opposite. So it'll come down from here onto a conveyor pole here. And then it'll start heading back up here, and it'll end up there. So that should allow us to bring both iron and coal in. So not yet there. You'll come down to there, straight across, and back up again. So they're both now in the central part of the room itself. So we bring in a conveyor splitter to here for our coal, one to here for our iron, and then we want to come into the room, which is into here, and then split them off again. But I'm not quite sure. We've got plenty of room, so if we put in our stackable poles here too high, run our belt straight into here, belt straight into here. So you're going to go here, so we can grab number 8 conveyor splitter here, which will get you down earlier than this one. I think this one will go down just a tad later. So in the center, no, number 8, there we go. In the center, I'm going to take these out, and the extra little bits on the end, we want them to go down. So this guy needs to come down and then split again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should, actually we don't really need to do that. That should come straight down and split. So if we get you in the same sort of line, and there, I think that should go straight down and in, and it'll split. And then we can run you out into this one. So always line up with the center, as I've said in other videos, and go back 2, and then straight in. Same with this end, line it up with the center, back 2, which we can't do here, so I'll just go forward 1 and throw it into there. It's really not too big a deal which spot it goes into. So we're gonna have to grab some more iron plates. I'll take you for a quick run upstairs to grab some more iron plate. I thought we had plenty, but obviously not. Let's have a look at our concrete. Yeah, concrete we've got plenty. Cables and wire we've got plenty. So I'll run through all these rooms. Are all completed now, so they're all full up with the amount of storage containers that I want, which is probably overkill to be honest, but and even walkways up the top here for us to be able to walk through. Right, so let's grab like 4 stacks if I can pick them up. So you can see I've got walkways all up through there. That shouldn't be there. And these will continue on, so I'll bring this back to this next room. It'll drop down as like another alternate way to get up, and then they'll cross from side to side and they'll run inside both rooms so we can sort of overlook our storage. And I will do the similar thing down in these rooms as well. Alright, so connect these guys up. As far as this goes, I think I wanted to keep these sort of up on a different level, but I don't think we're really going to need to quite as much as I thought I was going to. Okay, let's bring this guy into here. And for you, I want it touching that one as well, so into there. How is that? That's sort of clipping in, so let's come back. And you're the same. Clipping in, so we'll come back to there. So I think these ones, will get them to come straight down onto the ground. So say here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think is around about right, so probably just the other side. There, that's probably too close. No, that's alright. Certainly feels, yeah, certainly steeper than the other one. Not that it really matters too much, but I try to get things looking uniform. Actually, no, what am I doing there? I've already got that. Take you out. Take you out. You probably take all of that out, to be honest. It's probably going to be better if we just go like that. There we go. Now this one we can sort of leave up in the air for now. Where's our doorway here? See, I think if we can keep this one here. Let's bring it out to there. I think you can go to here as well. So that'll bring it down a level, and that should get it underneath that other belt, which it does. And then we're going to bring it into this one, so touching that side part there, and that can go there. So that'll give us a good curve, and then that'll go straight in. so we can get rid of that pole. Okay, that one can go there. We'll put this one there as well. Not that we need to keep it up that high, but at least it'll give us the option to sort of be able to run in and underneath everything. Now we need to bring you into there and then down to there. It's not square, but that will work. So that'll get our, I guess, our foundry area sort of all up and running, doing part of our steel production. So let's put both of these gates in, and then the rest will be walls, except for yeah, this one. That one won't be a wall. A wall, and a wall, and a wall. And then this is going to be the center part for this next room. So we're going to need to bring in some power. So let's, I think we'll run the power pole sort of in the center here somewhere. So you've got 4 attached already, you've only got 2 attached. What about you? No, we might need to attach to this one. Right, to here, and you can go into where? How about there? How does that look? Yep, that doesn't touch anything, so that's good. We might run power poles to the front corner, or this part, I guess, to the front. Right, there we go. What's... that's not connected yet. Thinking, what are you waiting for? Alright, so then we can go from here to there, from there to there, and there to there. Then they can connect up. Now these should be able to go. Let's go on that part, this part, and also this part. Hopefully they will connect and look fine. Yeah, they look fine. Alright, so from there to there to there, from there to there to there. And of course we're going to have to wait for this to get built, and then we can start making some encased industrial beams manually, and then we can go from there as we sort of need to. So I'm going to put in a merger here as well to be able to bring all these in together, which will allow us to take it up to storage once it's built. Still can't line that one up very well. There you go, that'll do. Alright, so we've got a few coming through, which is good to see. We certainly need to bump up the speed of all these belts, but as I said, we just don't have the belts available at the moment. Okay, so let's have another quick look. So sort of 1, 2. So the second wall in from here is where we started. So 1, 2. With more lag for days. It is quite laggy because I have a lot of stuff in this factory, as you guys can already see. Plus, we have tons of stuff in our old factory as well, which is a fair way away, but I think it still takes it into account because it's still running in the background. Alright, so we brought the coal down first. Right, so you're going to go through to here, through to there. I think, did we bring it down straight away? We did, we brought it down straight away. So there, to there, you can go there, and there. And we want to double stack all of them, of course. So you go down to the front, down to there, back up, and straight ahead. This one will come through and join. We'll go straight, one extra, and then it'll come down, straight, and back up. So now we have to work out if we can get them exactly the same on both sides. Alright, so the iron came straight through, but the coal came through to here, and then we put a splitter on it. So number 8, splitter. It's hard to make sure you're getting in the right spot. Right, so get rid of that. That's brought that straight in, and then the iron came straight into here. And then what do? We went to here, and then we had the splitter. I think, is it going to give it to me? There on this line, okay. Like that, there we go. So hopefully we can get these reasonably identical. So you go from there to there, you can come out into there, right there to there, so that'll get the iron ore coming in. Then the coal sort of just split off from here and it went straight down. So to there, and then bang bang to here. And then you went pretty much straight into a curve, straight ahead to just on the other side there. Right, there we go, and then you came straight through. I think, where are we? I think it just touched, it did just touch. Okay, from there to there, so that'll come straight through to here, and then down and in. I think we did the same on this side as well. So there, we want to bring you straight out to there, and then to there. And I think that should be exactly what we had on the other side. So this should be all... No, it's not set up yet. I thought it would have been set up ready to go. Steel ingots, and these are going to be making steel pipes. Steel ingot, steel pipes. I think we're going to need some more. No, we should be alright. Thought we might have needed some more plates, but we're okay for plates at the moment. Where do we put this exactly? Around about there, and then we had it actually running through from here somewhere. I think there will do. Yep, that can go from there to there, into here. I don't know, these ones we had on this front corner. And then this other one we had, I think it was like here somewhere. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I like to try and get things, as I said before, uniform the whole way throughout the build, so everything looks like it's well designed and well thought of. There we go, so then we can all join up to here. Boom, that should get us all flowing nicely, hopefully. Do the same as what we did before, put the double gates in, which we can't afford. Then obviously we need to do the belts down the back here, so we'll have to go and grab some more plates. again. Quickly check, once we get to the top, make sure we've got enough cables and wire and stuff, and might as well check while we're up here. Cement, cables, a bit low, so I might grab a stack of cables. Okay, we'll run down to where our steel plates are, which is right at the other end. This room needs to be turned into storage up the top as well, and then the little bit of space here before we get down to here, we might turn that into our enclosed or encased beams and that sort of stuff. Also, I haven't looked at motors yet either, so we're going to have to do motors and a few other things we still need to look at. But this room up the back here, it's all put together ready to go, but that's our supercomputer, so pretty much our end game item, which I'm not worrying about at the moment, but we know it's all ready to go. Well, we do happen to actually get there. So what we're doing, we're putting these gates on quickly. Boom, there we go, and then our walls. I think that one's actually going to have to go. Oh, wrong spot. So that one can go. We'll do what we've done before. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it, but we put in a wall conveyor. There, join that up to there, throw in a storage container. There to there. Do we have any? We don't. We've got pipes on us, but no beams. Let's go and grab some beams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't need too many. You see the coals, even the coals struggling to get into here. So that should all get filtered into here. We have, yeah, we've got very minimal encased beams at the moment. Let's wait for that to stop. There we go. Then we connect you and you. And that shows us that we have encased beams production in this room. Such a simple design, but it works really well. Right, from there to there. Let's throw all the pipes in, doesn't matter. We'll go down, while that's running, we'll go down and grab our conveyor merger. So we want it to go out the back. Did we actually put that in the center, or did we line it up central to that machine? No, central to that machine, okay. Alright, so central to that machine there, perfect. Go from there to there, and then we can join these guys up. Oh, there we go, and then join this one up. To there we go. So that'll bring the pipes out a little bit. So we can get rid of you, and then you as well. Join this up with our Mark IV belt. So I always put Mark 1 at the front because it's slow. Then Mark 4 at the back, which moves them around really quick. Because if we have these both as avoid the lag, Mark 4, you'll see that there's a big gap here now. Big gap between each. So if we put a Mark 4 belt, get them flowing, there's no gaps then. You can see exactly what's in there all the time. Right, so these guys need to go up to storage, but we just don't have the storage set up ready to go yet. But what are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's the same as our other rooms. We're going to have to put you into there. Go from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So you'll go from there into there. You'll go from there to there, and we need to work out our walls. So we always do 2 walls either side and 5 high. Only do 3 high this time, or 4 high in total. And to make sure they're all around the right way. There we go. And then you could even put an extra one there, an extra one there, and extra one there. And then we go back into our wall conveyors. Like that. We need to add some foundations, which we should. Can we get there? We can't get all the way up there, but close enough to. So this will give us our way up to storage. To there. I don't know if I can. No, it's not going to let me get it from there. From there to there. And then keep the clean, straight line on the inside. And then that'll end up at the top there. So same again this side. So our wall there. Wall here, and we go 5 high, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 2 in the, or 3 in the middle. One there, one there, one here as well. Need to fix this one. We put in our single conveyor wall and repeat the process. Before we do that, we'll fill in this gap here so we don't end up with any dramas. So that will go from there to there, there to there, there to there, there to there. Connect all these guys together, and then that, as I said, that'll go up into our storage facility up the top. We probably need to grab like as many of these as we can, really, because we need to make some encased beams for, of course, our belts. Try and get our belts producing that a little bit quicker. Well, if we can get our belts up to speed, that'll help us produce quicker. Right, so might as well end the episode here though, guys, because I'll get a few of these things crafted up off camera, and we'll see how we go. We can use our pipes to craft industrial steel beams too, I mean, closed steel beams as well. So I will probably grab a bunch of these pipes as well. As I said, we can use these if we add them to wire. And one thing I have been doing in each room is also adding a craft bench at the back corner next to where it starts to go up. That way, if we need to come in and craft anything quickly, we can. But as you can see, we go case industrial beam, we need beams and concrete. To do our alternate beam, we need beams, pipe and concrete. So we need more concrete, we need more pipe, we need a bit of everything, but I'll get this done off camera. I'll increase our belt speed to Mark 4, which will get all this stuff in, because we're probably already, like, yeah, way behind. We're alright with coal, ore on that one, but then not ore on this one, so we need to increase the belt speed for all of this, all of this, and get all this going. So, righto guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, as always, smash the like button. If you've got any suggestions, leave it in the comments section as well. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, guys, please do so. It's been Brito, thanks for watching. See you again soon.